Hello, in this video we will see how can we collect data from users, save it in a system and update it in a Google Sheet in real time. So here I have added some question blocks. So we are asking the customer to enter their name. I am saving my response to chat name here. In the next question I am asking which product they want to order. Again I am saving this response to product name, and in the next block I am asking them the quantity of order and saving it to quantity. Now in the next step I will add an automation app here. I go to add automation app and search for sheet. In the Google Sheet I'll select add a row. We will create a new authentication here. So create new authentication, enter label, sign in with Google. I will choose a Google account here. Go to advanced and go to automations builder. Here select continue. Now a new authentication is created here. So I will just select demo. I will select my spreadsheet, add a row. Select sheet in which I want the row to be added. So here my sheet is sheet 1. Now we will have to map our data. So under name I want chat name, under number I will take Baba, product name is under product name, and quantity was saved here. So after mapping this I will run and save this once. Now here we can see my data will be updated like this. Now let's run this bot. I'm saving my workflow. So my trigger keyword here was add a row. So how can we help you place order? Kindly enter your name. I'll select the product as B and quantity, for example, 5. So now we can see that this is added in our sheet.